Už to jede.
Hi, we have the accredited measurement
Device.
devices, and now we will be measure the noises of the background.
Mhm.
So now we start working with the reproductor.
I'm turning the speaker on and putting the volume on max. As you can see, it's like 3 or 4 more dBs when it's on.
And another thing is that it's making some tone. It has some tone, and we find it out when using the measurements.